Okay, I'm making my butternut squash tamales. I'm continuing. I made a couple of recipes of these butternut squashes. Of course, I use my corn husk, my traditional corn husk. And this is my butternut squash mixture. And then I'm making a turkey picadillo a little bit on the other side of our states. Basically, this is more, I would say, a little bit more on the Latin side. The Hispanic side is a little bit different, but, well, I should say that the in Mexico, where my mother taught me, she used a different set of profile, a different profile with the pico de gallo. I mean picadillo. This is considered picadillo from other parts. It has the veggies in there. It has the when I went to Florida, I tasted their foods and they were absolutely delicious. So it has veggies, it has some seasonings, it has some of the mole sauce that I used, and then it has a little bit of the tomato. Remember, tomato is a binder. And then, of course, I'm going to go ahead and add my olives. Oh, that's going to really bring it up. And it's going to go really well with something a little bit different with my tamales. And what the olives do, it brings a little bit of acidity into the flavor. So, and this is turkey. If you want to make some turkey, this is like perfect for turkey. I'd say turkey picadillo tamales. I've gone through so many recipe books that I can't keep up with all of them, but this is definitely almost a Caribbean flair to it, and it's got that a little bit of spices that are used in Florida and the Caribbeans, and it's really delicious. I've tried it. Oh my God, I'm going to try it again. Oh, honey. These tamales are going to be good. I can actually just eat this over rice. So, but I'm not. I'm going to put it in my tamales, the rest of my tamales, and then freeze them up for later use. Okay, I just wanted to show you that. Have a good one. Bye.